For your consideration, the Chalone Pinnacles House. This rare 40-acre property and home will be a breath of fresh air for the discerning buyer looking for a vineyard estate, country escape, or a corporate or weekend retreat. The Chalone Pinnacles House is a 5,000 square foot home with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, located in the rural rolling hills just 80 miles south of bustling San Jose and the Silicon Valley. Private and remote, it is still just a few minutes' drive from the quiet agriculture-based city of Soledad, California. The spacious 3-level home has stunning 360-degree views of rich natural open spaces in every direction. 11 acres on the Chalone Pinnacles House property is planted in a vineyard of Chardonnay grapes that are sold to local wineries. The property also includes a half-acre planted in vines of Pinot Noir, a fruit orchard, and an 8-acre grove of imported olive trees that each year can produce a bumper crop that could be pressed into fine extra virgin olive oil. The home has also proven to be a popular and profitable vacation rental on VRBO, commanding more than $1,000 a night. Glowing 5-star reviews talk of the beautiful home and surroundings, happy families enjoying their stay, and looking forward to return visits. For many years, the home, land, orchards, and vineyards have been attended by experienced caretakers available to stay in service if the buyer so chooses. The Chalone Pinnacles House and land is surrounded by Chalone Winery Vineyards and is just a 5-minute drive from the remarkable splendor of Pinnacles National Park. The unique landscape of Pinnacles welcomes visitors from around the world, seeking the remote hiking trails, explorable caves, and towering rock spires. And in about an hour, you can be in beautiful Carmel by the Sea, or playing a round of golf at Pebble Beach. Family, friends, and colleagues will take quickly to the country life, whether sitting poolside, hiking the trails, and just enjoying all that this well-tended estate offers. The Chalone Pinnacles House is a rich property to cultivate a relaxing lifestyle so rarely offered in today's California living. For more information, contact Pamela Culp at pamela.culp@compass.com or call 415-640-3293.